Day 1. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes cooked in olive oil. Whole grain toast. Mid-morning snack. Greek yogurt with a handful of mixed berries. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast with quinoa and roasted vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini. Afternoon snack. Sliced cucumber and carrot sticks with hummus. Dinner. Baked salmon with sweet potato and steamed asparagus. Snack, if hungry before bed. A small handful of almonds. Day 2. Breakfast. Smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Mid-morning snack. Apple slices with a tablespoon of peanut butter. Lunch. Turkey and avocado wrap with whole grain tortilla and a side of mixed greens. Afternoon snack. Cottage cheese with pineapple chunks. Dinner. Stir-fried tofu with broccoli, bell peppers, and brown rice. Snack, if hungry before bed. A cup of herbal tea or a small bowl of cherries. Day 3. Breakfast. Oatmeal topped with sliced strawberries and a drizzle of honey. Mid-morning snack. Handful of walnuts and a pear. Lunch. Quinoa salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and feta cheese. Afternoon snack. Plain yogurt with a sprinkle of chia seeds. Dinner. Grilled shrimp with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts and quinoa. Snack, if hungry before bed. Sliced bell peppers with guacamole. Additional tips. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Portion control is key. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables for a broad spectrum of nutrients. Choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of added sugars. Remember, individual dietary needs vary, and it's crucial to tailor any diet plan to your specific requirements. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice and adjustments to meet your weight loss goals safely.